guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the very first springtime box of April, which is the Lookfantastic box. Okay, so let's open up the lid and see what it says inside. It says, "Hello spring, we missed you," and yes, we did. Let's see, we got the booklet right here, and on the inside the paper is orange, and I'm gonna rip it to shreds once again. Ooh, there are so many cool things inside. This is what the box looks like. Oh my god, guys, there are so many cool items in here. I don't know where to begin, but I do see something that's piquing my interest from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Peach Blossom. Oh my god, it's an eyeshadow palette. How freaking cool is that? This is what it looks like now. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, we got the little paperoo. Ooh, and this is what it looks like inside. I can't already tell that the colors are not showing up on camera the way they are in real life and the way they should in real life. But this is definitely a high, oh, I'm gonna blind you guys. I'm gonna try it like this. This is a very high, like orange color. This is something mixed in with like beige golden greenish. This is a very glittery peach tone, and this is like an old brick kind of a color, I guess. But they are beautiful, and I think I'm gonna do a look with this tomorrow because I kind of feel like it. It's springtime. Hello. So let's check out the booklet. It's actually the first one. So the Bella Pierre Peach Blossom palette is worth $28.99. Okay guys, I see something in here that I just received 2 of already, which was, I think, in the, it was the goodie box. I didn't receive the whole butt mask thing, but I did receive 2 of these, which is basically the same. And this is from Starskin. This is the 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. That's a mouthful. This is what that little sucker looks like, and this is my 3rd one. I've used up the other 2. I will immediately say, let's see, over here. Starskin 100% Camellia 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Mouthful is worth £9, and I will immediately say that I wasn't a huge fan of it. And the reason why I wasn't a huge fan of it is basically because it did not do that many wonders for my skin in particular. So this is definitely not for me. I guess I will be using it again. Well, will I? No, I don't think I will actually. I used it twice and I did not like it. So you know what? I think I'm going to give this to either my mom or my sister. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to bring this over to my mom. I'm going there anyway right now. She lives like literally across from me. So I'm going to go over there and I'm going to bring this fella to her. Maybe this will work on her skin because she has more of an oily skin. I have dry, dehydrated skin, and this did not work out for me personally. So yeah, I'm going to pass this along to my mom. Okay, let's move on to something in a very small box from Erno Laszlo. Oh, I actually really enjoy the products of Erno Laszlo. And this is Hydrate and Nourish. Hydrate, oh god, yes. Hydrofill Skin Supplement. Okay, this hydrating toner, there we go. Gently calms, hydrates, and refreshes as it eliminates dullness and balance moisture. Okay, sounds really, really good. Let me get it out of the little pot because I sure as hell I'm going to use it. I've used their toners a lot of times because I received them a lot of times in these particular boxes, and I've always loved them. So really excited about this fella. Now let's check out the booklet. Where are you in my booklet? Right here. Erno Laszlo Hydrofill Skin Supplement. This is just a little sample size, and the worth is $5.58. Okay, moving on to Ameliorate. Yeah, I think I got that right. Smooth Skin Science, transforming body lotion with alpha hydroxy therapy. Dermatological, wow, well, skincare. Contains the unique Skin Hydration Complex, LAH6. Huh. Okay. This is what that little sucker looks like, and it's a body lotion, if I read that correctly. Let's check out the booklet. It says from ameliorates transforming a body lotion, 30 milliliters, so definitely not a full size, and the worth is 4 pounds. Okay guys, we've got 2 more items in here, and then the box, there we go, is empty. So what to start with? Okay, let's start off with this little fella. This is from Mind Tan, and this is the Exfoliating Coffee Scrub Prep and Prime. This is what that little sucker looks like. It's not really all that big, and honestly, I'm not really into coffee smelling things, except for clearly coffee. But for coffee smelling things, it's not my jam. Like, I'm not gonna lie, especially, and now I can finally say it, especially now that I'm pregnant, certain smells just, no, you know, like meat. Oh, dear Lord, if anybody's baking meat around me, I just want to puke instantly. I know a lot of other pregnant women have the same thing, as well as cleaning supplies, perfume, like every single freaking perfume I own, and I own a lot. I love them, but now in my pregnancy, I hate them. I can't stand the damn smell. I haven't used perfume in like 4 weeks or something. I feel bare. I don't feel myself when not wearing perfume, but I just can't. So I know that this particular scrub, at least for now during my pregnancy, yeah, I'm gonna puke in the shower. I don't want to do that. I just cannot handle smells at this point. And trust me, guys, it sucks. Like being pregnant is not all that great as they make it up to be. Trust me, it's not. So I think I'm gonna pass this along either to my mom or my sister. I don't know which one of them. You know what? I'm actually gonna leave this for my sister. Oh my God, I'm gonna leave this for her. You know why? She is so freaking coffee obsessed. Like, I swear to God, her blood is made out of coffee. So yeah, that's a good thing. I'm gonna give this to my sister. Let's see in the little booklet. Come on, why doesn't a page want to flip? There we go. So the Mind Tan Coffee Scrub is 30 grams. I don't think this is necessarily a full size, because seriously, like, see how teeny tiny this is? This is not big at all. I don't think it's a full size, but the worth is $9.95. Okay guys, and we're down to the last item, which is this little sucker, and the box is so freaking cute. This is the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and these are slanted tweezers. And the box, oh my God, the box is so vintage, so freaking beautiful. It fits their aesthetic so great. Look at that. How freaking awesome is that? Oh my goodness. Tweezers are always good, in my opinion. But you know what I find hard with tweezers? Most of these tweezers just, if you want to grab, oh, it actually has like this little protective thing, and I'm going to keep it in there. They're pretty big, I will say that. This is what they look like. Pretty big, like I said, but very easy in the hand, when you would pluck your little eyebrows. What I will say with tweezers, what I personally find really, really hard is when I want to grab like a little hair, I guess, when you want to pluck it out and you kind of squeeze it to pluck it out, and instead of, you know, plucking it out, it cuts it. And that is so annoying. And of course, the little tiny hairs are just impossible to get. And I actually bought Tweezerman tweezers, which are so-called one of the best ones ever. And I am not happy. I paid 20 bucks for those, and they are like a mini version. But I paid 20 bucks for them, and they're not worth 20 bucks, let me tell you. I got ones from the drugstore for $1 that literally do the very same damn thing. So it's hard with tweezers. You know, I hope everybody understands what I'm trying to say, but I find it very hard to find good tweezers. So yeah, I'm very excited to give these fellas a try. Let's see. The Vintage Cosmetic Company tweezers are worth £8. Okay, and those were all of the items that we received in the Lookfantastic box month of April. I enjoyed this box. There are 2 items that I'm actually not going to use, which is the coffee scrub. Clearly, I'm going to give it to my sister, and the face mask, which I'm going to give to my mom. The rest of the stuff I'm actually all going to use, so I'm really happy with it. I'm really excited about this palette because, oh, I cannot wait to get my hands on it and to play with it. I'm going to do a look tomorrow. I feel like that's, appropriate. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!